Hello, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Android phone screen black and white. Just go to the top right and go to settings. Scroll all the way down and go to accessibility. Now under here we can go to vision enhancements. And there should be an option for black and white under here. So we could try going to color filter and see if we can find it under here. So we can see, blue and stuff like that. So let's go back and then just look. Now I have the option, it's under the color correction. We can just turn this on. And then we can go to grayscale and turn it on down here. So this is going to be pretty good for using this as a reading device now. So it'll be a little bit easier on your eyes. Then we can turn on extra dim if we want. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.